What is up, YouTube? Today we are going to replace my Ironman awning with a Bushwakka awning. So this is a extreme darkness 270-degree awning from Bushwakka. So that's going to replace the Ironman awning. So I had this awning for a while, just got second hand in town for like $100. So it's the same quality as one like those King's awning. So, and then I'm going to try utilize the alu cab awning mount. So it's pretty strong mount. Hopefully the whole patterns are the same. And yeah, this is 270 awning. Come with two. I ordered a two sidewall, just a bit of wind protection, that sort of stuff. So yeah, let's unbox the old awning, or the new 270 awning, and then do a size comparison. It's pretty heavy. Like, I'll lift that box alone, it feel like 30 kilos, so I reckon it's probably around 30 kilos. So we'll see the size comparison. I know they are pretty strong. Like, you can see the photos and all the bracing and all that. Yeah. So I just hope it fits on that bracket. So let's unbox it. Here's the Bushwakka. That's the size of it. Bob palm. Look at that. Probably like 3 times bigger. That's supplied with all the pegs and the ropes. Come with the brackets for the roof racks and that sort of stuff, which we're not going to be using it. And also the back of the Bushwakka, you can slide additional. There's a rail where you can use additional bolts. So I'm pretty sure that is the same width, same bolt hole centers as that bracket there. So that's good. I'm going to be using that. So yeah, let's remove that and then do side by side comparison. So here's comparison between the Bushwakka and the Ironman. So it's pretty much twice the width, twice the height. Let's see if I can install that by myself up on that bracket there. So I'm saying these two hole centers should be the same, and I'll be able to put at least four bolts in the back there. So yeah, and also it will sit a bit higher as well, so I reckon it will look good up there. So what came in the kit, so they got this ratchet rope to when you open it up, and to anchor to keep the awning open. So we've got 2 of those, and they kindly give you a 13mm ratchet. Pretty sure that's ratchet. Yeah, 13mm ratchet spanner. So that came with a kit, so I'm pretty surprised by that. The power cords to LED lights. So the Bushwakka extreme darkness come with a LED inside on the awning, built into the awning. So you've got like a yellow and a white lights. And another one come with the bolts to mount the awning on, guide rope, peg, the awning repair kit, repair patch. So it's pretty handy. So yeah, and the Bully off-road 4x4 4-wheel drive is kind of give us a stubby holder as well. So that's why I went through them. You know, I live in a remote town in Pilbara, and this came from Toowoomba, Queensland. So pretty much it's cheaper with the freight if you go through a different company like Bully Off-Road. It's so much cheaper. Come by TNT or Road Express. I ordered this about a week and a half ago and it got here, so it's pretty good. And yeah, now let's see if I can install that by myself. So pretty much because it came with the 8mm instead of 6mm M6, so it came with M8, so a bit stronger, but the hole is 8mm, so it doesn't quite fit. But the front one, this already is 10mm slot, so that fit in there just fine. So I have to drill that rear one a bit bigger. Of a problem, the length of the awning, so where these bolts are, need to be where these are, and that is 100mm, and up there is 90mm, or a bit less than 90. So between there doesn't fit, the bracket doesn't fit in between there for these. So same thing, the front is 90mm, so that's a bit less than 90, so like 80, 88. So the length of the awning, so where these 4 bolts will sit directly over that, and that 4 bolt will sit directly over that, so it's the same width as the rooftop tent. Yeah, it just make it a bit more difficult to fit it. Let's see what ideas we can come up with. So I came to the conclusion the hole center is 50mm, right? So that's his, and that center to center is 60mm. So I have to re-drill a hole. So I'll put 60mm hole center. So I put 4 holes up there, and then up here I have to chop that off 10mm either side to make it narrower. Re-drill the hole because there's already clatter with holes, so I might do 2 holes there. That should be fine, I think, with the weights of it. Yeah, the 2 holes, 8mm bolts should be fine, 30 kilos. And then, yeah, I just need to cut this off a bit, make it a bit narrower. Before I do that, I'll remove all the jerry can and the gas bottle, so it's not a fire hazard. So I'll come out with my angle grinder and cut that. So, got it fitted. Had to modify or re-drill hole centers on here. It just fit where the nuts are. See how tight that is? Just fit. I have to pretty much squeeze it in there, and then over this side I chopped a fair bit off it. So as you can see, I'd narrow it down 10mm either side, just fit this in between, and yeah, we've got to clean up all these sharp edges, but hold down with 2 bolts, pretty steady. And there, got a bit of red dirt on there already, being pilbara. So yeah, this is how it looks on the car. It's pretty small compared to all the other brands, so that's why I go with the Bushwakka. Even though they're pretty much like, it's like an A-frame bracing. They use I think it's 25 by 25 alley tubing, so yeah, it looks pretty strong. It's getting pretty late today, so I'll do a full review tomorrow morning. So I'll do a full review of it, I'll open it up for you, and then I'll set it up, and then yeah, I'll show you guys how it looks on the car. I didn't know how far back it's supposed to be, so I leave a bit of gap because I got this brackets here sticking out, so I leave a bit of sticking out there. I'm pretty sure when it's open it's pretty much flush with that sort of structure. So welcome back, it's the next days, guys. I'm gonna set this up for the first time, so we'll see how it goes, see how easy it is to set up. So zippers, hopefully I brought the right side, you know. So there's the Velcro. And then should be another one thing I forgot to grab out is a bloody rope for it. Oh, I've got the ratchet rope now, so what we want to do just at the front here on the eyelet, bring it around to the front of the car. I think it normally can hook onto, so I'm going to hook onto the bull bar there. All you have to do is just pull that, that's it, and then do another one around the back. Just grab another rope, so just grab another one here, hook that on there like that, pull this around. So with this here, I probably have to, I've got this eyelet, or the bracket there, you can do that. And what I do is, I just pull that around. So that's it, guys. That's, what I like about this awning is it's cover all the way to the front of the car. You could have optional this pole here that you can get with it. You can move that around to different spot, depends on the windy spot, which side is the wind coming through. You got the eyelet, the anchor down, you got the LED light inbuilt into the awning. And yeah, really like this product. It's really heavy duty canvas. Yeah, see how I have it offset here a bit. See, because of that, you still can get to all these latches, and then everything's still operational. I do have to move. I've got a spare bracket. I do have to move this fishing rod holder somewhere. Maybe up the top, and then put the brackets here for the ladder. to get access to the rooftop tent. So yeah, it's another eyelet for you can anchor it down for a rainy day. Just to make the water run down. So yeah, it's pretty cool. The overall, guys, pretty big awning. Probably move the pole over to this one here, to the middle, so you get a bit of strength in the middle of the awning. So yeah, or I might actually order another pole just in case. So yeah, I'm gonna leave you with it. Go like, subscribe to my channel if you like more of these contents. If you like the LSA performance stuff, comment down below what you want me to do, and then any other product reviews you want me to do, comment down below, and then I'll see what I can do. Cheers.